Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add product compare feature on your WooCommerce website using a free plugin. Let me show you how does this work. Here I'm on the shop page, and on the shop page you will see the listings of the products, and on all the products you will see a compare button. If I click on this button, it is going to add that product to the compare list and it is going to open the pop-up. Let's click on the button and you will see the pop-up and the product is added to the compare list. Let's close it and let's add one more product to the compare list, and you will see that the second product is also added to the compare list. Let's try one more, and the third product is also added to the compare list. If you do not want to open the pop-up, you can also create a page where all the products will be added automatically when the compare button is clicked. You can customize the style settings of the compare table. You can also customize the style settings of the compare button, and you can also display the compare button on a single product page. The plugin that I'm going to use is ShopLentor. This plugin has free as well as premium version, and product compare feature is available in the free version of ShopLentor plugin. This plugin is not only for product comparison feature. There are many different modules or features that you can add to your WooCommerce website. In previous videos, I have shown you how you can add Shopify style checkout, variation swatches, pop-up builder, wish list, currency switcher, quick view, advanced coupons, and cross-sell pop-up. So this is all-in-one plugin that you can add to your WooCommerce website. If you want more advanced features, you can go for the pro version of the plugin, which will cost you only $99 per year for 5 different websites. If you want to try it, you can try it for half a year, which will cost you only $39 for 5 different websites. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add product comparison feature in your WooCommerce website using the free ShopLentor plugin. So let's see how does this work. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website, and now we are going to add product compare feature in a WooCommerce website using a free plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin, and here search for ShopLentor. This is the plugin ShopLentor all-in-one WooCommerce growth and store enhancement plugin, and I have already installed and activated this plugin. If you have not installed this plugin, then you will see an option to install the plugin and activate the plugin. When you install and activate the plugin, in the left hand panel you will see the option ShopLentor. Let's click on ShopLentor and you will be on the dashboard of this plugin. At the top you will see modules. Let's go to modules, and here you will see different modules that you can add to your WooCommerce website. Here you will see an option compare. Let's enable that option and click on save settings. So now we have enabled the compare feature. Let's go to the settings of this module. Click on the settings icon, and these are the basic settings of this module. Do you want to show the button on a product list page? Yes, I want to show it, so I'm going to enable that option. Show the button in a single product page, that is also enabled. And here you will see different positions where you can show the button. If I click on drop down, you will see the option before add to cart, after add to cart, top on image, use shortcode, and custom position. Let's try after add to cart. And for single product page button position, you have again different options: before add to cart, after add to cart. I'm going to select after add to cart. Below that you will see open pop-up, which is enabled. That means when someone clicks on the compare button, it is going to open the pop-up with the list of products which are added to the compare. So that option is enabled. Then we have button text. These are the labels. I'm not going to change any label. Let's click on save settings and let's see how does this look on the actual page. Let's go to the shop page and let's refresh it, and you'll see the compare button is there. So if I click on this button, it is going to open a pop-up and the product is added to the compare list automatically. Let's close it. Let's add one more product, and you will see another product is added automatically. If you want, you can also remove the product from the list, and when there is no product to compare, it will show the button return to shop. Right, let's go back and let's change the position. Shop page button position, I'm going to change it to top on image, and for this one I'm going to change it to before add to cart. Okay, let's save the settings. Let's go back and let's refresh it. and now you will see the compare button on the actual product image. Let's go back and let's go to table settings. If you want to create a page, you can also create a page where all the listed products will be shown to compare. And for that, you need to use this shortcode. Let's copy this shortcode. Let's go to pages and I'm going to add a new page here. Let's click on add new page and let's name it as compare. Click on plus sign and look for shortcode and enter the shortcode. Click on publish. Let's view the page, and here right now we do not have any product, so it is showing the button return to shop. Okay, let's go back, let's refresh it, go to settings again and go to table settings, and now click on the drop down and select the page that we created. Here you will see the page. Now this is going to be the page where all the products will be shown to compare. Enable shareable link, I'm going to enable it. Share link button position is set to the right. Share link button text, copy shareable link. I'm going to keep it as it is. How many products do you want to add to the compare? I'm going to change it to 5. And these are the fields which will be used for the comparison. Title, rating, price, add to cart, description. Let's disable the description. Availability, let's disable the SKU. I'm going to disable weight and dimension also. Okay, if you want to change the headings, you can also change the headings. You will see the headings settings here. Click on save settings. Let's go to style settings. These are the style settings for the button and the table. So if I go to button style, let's change it to theme. If you want, you can also change it to custom, and from here you can change the background color. And these are the padding settings, margin settings, border color. Okay, let's click on save settings. Let's go back to the page. Let's go to shop page. Let's refresh it and you will see the change in the style settings. Let's try theme settings. Now it is going to use the theme style settings for the button. This one looks good, so I'm going to keep it on theme settings. If I go to single product page, you will see a compare button before add to cart. Let's change the position to after add to cart. This one does not look good, so I'm going to change it to after add to cart. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see the position here, compare. So I'm going to click on it and it is going to add the product to the compare list. Okay, now let's go to the page that we created. Let's click on view page and you will see the product is there on the compare page. And here you will see the copy shareable link. If I click on it, it is going to copy this link and you can share that link with your friends. Okay, let's go back. Let's add one more product to compare list and it is going to open the pop-up. If you do not want this pop-up to open every time, you can disable that option. Let's close it. Let's go back. And here you will see the pop-up. I'm going to disable it and let's see how does this work. Let's go back to shop page, refresh it. Let's add this product to the compare, and now it will go to the compare page instead of opening the pop-up. So this is how it works. So I think the pop-up option is good, so I'm going to enable it again. However, if you want, you can still use the compare page. Okay, let's go to the style settings. You can customize the style settings of the table. Here you will see custom option. You will see the color settings for the even and the odd columns, heading colors for the odd and even column. If you want to customize the table style settings, you can customize it. Otherwise, you can use the default table settings. Let's click on save settings. So if you want to add product compare feature to your WooCommerce website, you can try using the free ShopLentor plugin. If you want to add more advanced features to your WooCommerce website, you can definitely try using the pro version of the ShopLentor plugin. The pro version of this plugin will cost you only $99 per year for 5 different websites. So you can install this plugin on 5 different websites. If you want to try it for half a year, that will cost you only $39 for 5 different websites. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.